friends, welcome back to my video. I'm glad to meet you all again through this video. Today, we will see about the famous novel work of Charles Dickens, David Copperfield. Let's see few things about Charles Dickens here. Charles Dickens was born on 7th February 1812 at Portsmouth in England. His parents were John Dickens, a naval clerk, and Elizabeth Barrow. Charles went to work at a boot-blacking factory at his age of 12 due to some financial problems in his family. A few months later, he continued his schooling and completed it in his 15th age. He started his career as a clerk boy in an office and also worked as a part-time reporter till his death. His notable works are the posthumous papers of the Pickwick Club. It was also known as Pickwick Papers. Oliver Twist, Nicholas Nickleby, A Tale of Two Cities. He was died due to stroke on June 9, 1870. It's time to see about the novel David Copperfield. It was Charles Dickens' eighth novel and the full title name is The Personal History of David Copperfield, which was published serially in 1849 to 1850 and in book form in 1850. It was an autobiographical work of Dickens and this was his favorite work. This work became Charles Dickens' favorite collection because it was his own story. Dear friends, most of the people in this world fill their day-to-day activities in the pages of diaries with their inks. Yes, that's true. I too write diaries to mention the happenings in my life. Here, the writer Charles Dickens had written about his life and published in the book named David Copperfield. Friends, I had read Dickens' story, but now I'm eagerly waiting to read your story. So, share your stories with me in the comment box. The novel David Copperfield consisted of 64 chapters and the author was in depression state while writing the story. He wrote this fiction about a boy who shaped his life through the obstacles he faced. Now, we will see about the major characters in the novel David Copperfield. The protagonist of the novel, David Copperfield, was both the characters David Copperfield and also the author Charles Dickens. Clara Copperfield, David's mother. Peggotty, the loyal and trusted household servant of David and Clara. Daniel Peggotty, brother of Peggotty and also called as Mr. Peggotty. Mr. Barkis, chariot driver and married Peggotty. Little Emily, the niece of Peggotty and Daniel Peggotty. Her father's name was Tom. Ham, the nephew of Peggotty and Daniel Peggotty. His father's name was Joe Peggotty. Betsy Trotwood, sister of David's late father. Edward Murdstone, stepfather of David, and also he was called as Mr. Murdstone. Jan Murdstone, sister of Mr. Murdstone. Tommy Traddles, he was one of David's classmates from Salem House. Steerforth, he too David's classmate at Salem House. Mr. and Mrs. Micawber, the couple of good-spirited souls and became close to David in Warehouse, London. Mr. Dick, guest of Betsy Trotwood. Mr. Wickfield, friend of Betsy Trotwood. Agnes Wickfield, daughter of Mr. Wickfield. Uriah Heep, servant of Mr. Wickfield. Spenlow, David was one of his employees and he had love affair on his daughter. Dora Spenlow, daughter of Mr. Spenlow. These were the major characters in the novel David Copperfield. Now, I will start to tell the brief summary of this novel. Here the story begins. The little boy David was born in Blunderstone Rookery after 6 months of his father's death. He was born to a lovely married couple named David Copperfield and Clara. David's sister, Betsy Trotwood, didn't accept their marriage, and so they lived separately in Rookery. After the death of David Copperfield, Trotwood came to meet the pregnant lady Clara and wished that she would keep her name if the baby was a girl. But unfortunately, Clara gave birth to a boy. Trotwood was disappointed by this and she left that place. Then, the small boy, David Copperfield, was brought up by a nurse, Peggotty, and by his mother, Clara. They lived happily, still Clara met the dark, handsome man, Mr. Murdstone. Peggotty advised Clara not to believe him, but she refused the words of Peggotty. Then, Peggotty took David to her native place, Yarmouth, when he would be at the age of 10 or 11. Both went Yarmouth with a chariot driver named Bacchus. There, David met Mr. Daniel Peggotty, Ham, and Emily. David thoroughly enjoyed the trip and returned back Rookery after a week. Peggotty and David were shocked by hearing the news that Clara had married Mr. Murdstone. He brought her sister Jane Murdstone and handed all the properties of Clara to her. David didn't like Murdstone and not accepted him as his stepfather. Clara convinced David for many times to accept that Murdstone was a good man. Then she started to teach David in her home itself, but David failed to listen her words. So Murdstone took him to a separate room and had hit him heavily with a stick. David was irritated and had bitten Murdstone. Then Murdstone joined David in a Salem House, a boarding school for boys. There he met Steerforth, an energetic man, and Tommy Traddles, an overweight but kind-hearted boy. Soon David adapted to their surroundings and started to enjoy there. Unfortunately, this happiness too concluded by the arrival of a bad news that his mother was dead. Therefore, David went to Rookery to attend his mother's funeral and never went back to Salem House. Mr. Murdstone relieved Peggotty and she married Bacchus and went to her native place, Yarmouth. Before she went, she told David that she could come and see him whenever she could. David's stepfather, Mr. Murdstone, ordered David to work in one of his warehouses in London. David didn't like his order, but he went there to work. There, he met Micawber family. Mr. and Mrs. Micawber were kind-hearted people but financially troubled couple. David had a great affection towards them. One day, Micawber family went out of London due to their debts. Then, David decided to meet his aunt Betsy Trotwood, who was in the place Dover. He went there and she had accepted him to stay with her other guest, Mr. Dick. Meanwhile, Mr. Murdstone too came there with his sister and shouted at Trotwood for giving place for David. The argument ended shortly and Trotwood told them that she would take care of David. Then Trotwood joined David in a school in Canterbury. He went to school from Trotwood's family friend house, Mr. Wickfield. He enjoyed the company of Wickfield's daughter Agnes Wickfield because she too was in his age. David had hated Wickfield's servant named Uriah Heep at his first meet itself. David liked his second school headmaster, Dr. Strong, and his wife Annie. David studied well in that school and became the topper in that school. After the completion of his graduation, he wished to meet Peggotty. Hence, he started his journey towards the place Yarmouth. During his journey, he met his school friend Steerforth and both went Yarmouth. As soon as they reached Yarmouth, they heard the news of Emily's and Ham's engagement. By hearing that, Steerforth wasn't happy. Then, David went London to work in the office of Spindler and Chawkins. He acquired an own apartment and his friend Tommy Traddles also accompanied him. Tommy had been studying to become a lawyer and working to save money for his fiancée. David had fallen in love with Dora, who was the daughter of Spenlow. David again went to Yarmouth on hearing the news that Barkis was about to die. Meanwhile, he heard the news that Emily had eloped with Steerforth. Mr. Peggotty was furious and wanted his niece to come back, so he requested David to help him to find her. Meantime, Trotwood came to meet David to caution him because she lost all her fortunes due to the cunning scheme of Uriah Heep. Soon she understood David was innocent and left that place. Spenlow came to know the love affair of David towards his daughter and had forbidden him. In few days, Spenlow had died in a car accident, and then David had married Dora Spenlow. Their marriage life wasn't happy because of the childish behavior of Dora. She had spent most of her time with her dog named Jip, and she never kept their house clean. Though David and Dora married because of their love, they had several arguments every day. Soon, Dora was died due to her careless behavior. Then Agnes Wickfield took care of David and motivated him. Then Uriah Heep had played a fox role, which means a cunning role in Dr. Strong's family. He convinced Dr. Strong by saying wrong things about Annie and added that she would have some affair with her cousin named Jack Maldon. This misunderstanding problem was solved by Trotwood's guest friend named Mr. Dick. Soon, Mr. Micawber and Traddles revealed the true identity of Uriah Heep before everyone. This was made possible by Mr. Micawber because he had worked for him for some time. Then, Mr. Peggotty and David heard the news about Emily from Steerforth's servant Litimer that she was with Steerforth. Both of them took help from Emily's friend Martha and finally they found her. Then all of them returned back to Yarmouth and Mr. Peggotty decided to move to Australia where Emily could start a new life. Then Steerforth and Ham had died in the storm occurred in Yarmouth. Meantime, David went out of London City to spend some time lonely and discovered that he had been loving Agnes truly and madly. After his return to London, he married her and lived happily with 3 children. They also had good relationship with Betsy Trotwood, Peggotty and Mr. Dick. Finally, all of them lived happily with each other. Friends, this was the short summary of the novel David Copperfield. I hope this video will be useful for you all. Now, I will end my video here. My dear friends, don't forget to give your comments and your story in the comment box. Thanks for watching.